you will never have seen anything like you're about to see in this video. We had 500 people accept Islam in the remote Matig Salut tribe. But what happens after these people accept Islam? We mobilized our entire team and headed out for a 6-day program for these new Muslims. We were completely isolated in a remote village up in the mountains. They first learnt about Allah. They then started to learn the actions for wudu. Everyone got together and lined up for their first salah. Everything comes in steps. It was time to memorize the mother of the Quran. Everyone was in groups with their teachers, memorizing the verses of the Quran. It was an incredible sight to see. So many people learning how to worship Allah. At the end of 6 days, so many of the attendees could do wudu, perform the entire salah in Arabic, and teach others to do the same. This is what you call new Muslim support. So I have a question for you. Will you let this project die, or will you allow us to continue these salah camps and teach these new Muslims? Click the button and support the daawo now. And don't forget to share this incredible video so others can learn this method of teaching new Muslims, and you share in the reward for free.